And now we're up on the stage, and William is going to tell us about the set design.
This is our set for Noises Off. This is the build process within 5 weeks. We still have 3 more weeks before the production starts, so we'll be adding more detail and painting. In the very beginning process of the set, because this is a space that utilizes a lot of different people, we had 6 different dance recitals before this 3 weeks ago. So we had to actually build everything into smaller pieces. And then once the last dance recital was out, we were able to put everything on stage. With this configuration, it has to literally roll in a circle. By having multiple wheels, some called rigid casters, that don't spin in a circle, they just go one direction, focused around a pivot point. So the wheel is literally on the tangent line of the circle, going around from our pivot point. Our pivot point, because we've had problems in the past going wood on metal, I actually use a combine bearing to make sure it's spinning properly. Also, because some of this whole set rotates around that one pivot point, only half of it can be rigid casters. The other had to be swivel casters. Swivel casters allow to rotate 360 degrees. The stair unit was actually on swivel casters because that unit had to be built separate from the main unit for storage purposes. So when we had to roll that into place, all the wheels synced with all the rigid casters and are now going in the circle and create their own tangent line with the circle. The build process also didn't allow for other things. The doors were put on later, and I can also show you pictures of the build process because I have each week by week processes. The doors were also put on later on. To save costs, we actually borrow from other high schools. Fridley High School, we are borrowing 3 doors from. The rest are being borrowed from Upper High School. Most of this material was built by myself and a few of my family members that came in and helped. Is that everything wrong?